If you've been looking for a hair mask that would really hydrate your strands, promote healthier and longer hair, then this is the video for you. Stick with me to the end of this video. Flaxseed gel is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which is amazing for scalp health. Now I'm using store-bought aloe vera gel because I don't have the fresh aloe vera gels, but it is still packed with goodness. It contains enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It soothes irritation and promotes a healthier scalp environment for growth. Honey is a natural humectant, and this means that it attracts and retains moisture. If you've been on my channel long enough, you would know this. Now it just helps to deeply hydrate the hair, leaving it softer and shinier and generally more manageable. Our star ingredient, avocado, is rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants. Now these nutrients penetrate deep into the hair shaft. It locks in moisture, it reduces frizz, and it prevents breakage. Now this is exactly what my hair needed because it was so dry for about 2 months plus. So if you are struggling with dry, brittle hair, avocado is a game changer for restoring softness and elasticity. Olive oil penetrates the hair shaft, adds shine, and reduces split ends. Now we're just going to blend everything together to get this creamy mixture. Please, before using this or applying this on your hair, make sure you sieve it. Okay, make sure you pass it through a cheesecloth, or you can use a sieve just as I'm doing. Virtually every DIY ingredient, most of the time you would need to sieve it because you wouldn't want bits of avocado and the rest in your hair. Now we have our power hydrating deep conditioning mask ready, so let's go use it, guys. Please note that I am working on freshly detangled and freshly washed hair. Okay, my hair has been detangled and washed. It is clean, my scalp is clean, my strands are clean, so that the ingredients can absorb better and easier. Now already my hair is in a protective style and it is sectioned, so this makes application of this mask easier. I'm just going to unravel the twist and coat each strand with my mask. If you have an applicator bottle, simply pour your mask into the applicator bottle and then use directly on your hair. I do not have one, or rather I just simply scooped from the plate and applied it onto my hair. Now for the application, you want to make sure that this mask is touching every strand in the section you're working with. Let it get to every strand. Start from your roots, let it get to your roots, and don't neglect your ends. As you can see, the curls are already popping. This is very super hydrating, guys. You know when your hair is so hydrated and the elasticity is on point and it's just bouncing back, this is the mask for you. This is the mask that would give you that effect on your hair. You instantly feel like your hair is getting so healthy and you just can't get enough of it. Now after I'm done with that section, I will twist it up and let it be. I'll just twist it up loosely because, you know, there's no point like twisting it tightly and then squeezing out the goodness out of your hair. So we'll just go ahead and do this on each section of the hair. I'm carefully unraveling the twist and coating my hair with this mask. Now, with all those ingredients that we combined, all the ingredients that we used, This is going to create a powerhouse deep conditioning mask that restores moisture, strengthens weak strands, promotes growth, improves overall hair health. This is the holy grail. This is a mask you need to use weekly. If you are serious about your hair journey this year, use this mask weekly, guys. If you have watched my video up to this point, like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Share it with your mom, your sister, your daughter, your wife, and all the females and even males around you who have natural hair, okay? Share this video to them so that they too can benefit from it. At this point, we were finally done. So I'm going to put a plastic bag over my head. If you have a steaming cap, go ahead and use that, okay? I don't have a steaming cap, so I'm going to use this plastic bag. And right after that, I'm going to wear my hair bonnet. This is just so that I can just use my body heat to help open up my pores so that the ingredients can penetrate my hair shaft. Now I'm going to let this sit for 30 to 45 minutes. I'll just go ahead and do other things that I need to do and get them done, take care of my toddler, etc. till I'm ready to wash it off. And now I'm done with deep conditioning. My hair is so soft and moisturized. Definitely well hydrated. This is really, really hydrating. The moisture. You know, for your wash days, you can decide to do this before your shampoo or after your shampoo. I'll make sure I rinse out this product thoroughly. And as you can see, my hair is so soft. It feels so soft. The elasticity is back. The shine is back. It feels generally healthier. It feels thicker. It feels more hydrated, and the moisture is really deep in. And if you're a low porosity girly, you would testify to this mask. You just need to try it out. So I've been receiving a lot of questions from friends on how I've been able to grow my hair, because everybody wants to grow their natural hair. So when I ask what is your hair porosity, everyone is confused. So we'll talk about that in our next video. We'll talk about our hair types, hair porosity, hair density, etc, etc. So do stick around if you want to learn. Get to know your hair porosity, guys. This is going to be a game changer. It's going to change the game for your hair. So I feel good, my hair feels good, and thank you so much for watching.